Welcome to NIC, your Enforce Data and Policy Services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to add a photo to your profile, making it easy for other NIC users to recognize you when collaborating or sharing sales opportunities. This is a simple step that builds trust and credibility in a digital environment. To change your profile picture, navigate to the top right corner to your profile icon, click on it once, then click Settings. From here, you'll be able to change your profile picture directly on this screen by clicking on this Browse button, so you can browse your computer for a file to upload. Once you're done, click Done, and your file will be uploaded. Keep in mind that the image must be a JPG, JPEG, or PNG file smaller than 10 megabytes and must be at least 50 pixels by 50 pixels in size. By adding a profile picture to NIC, you can make collaboration easier and help build trust and recognition with other users across the platform. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.